Do you know that our world houses a population of over 7 billion? And by 2050, when the world population is expected to reach 9 billion, we are going to need resources equivalent to 2.5 worlds. The question is, how are we going to deliver high-quality products that meets consumers' needs and also future population growth? CP Foods is committed to being a good corporate citizen in our endeavor to become the kitchen of the world. Sustainability is one of our main strategies in running a sustainable business to create growth, drive excellence, and lay the strong foundation. Under the 3 pillars of our sustainability strategy: food security, self-sufficient society, and balance of nature. One of our goals is to provide food security in order to build strong societies which are self-reliant on existing resources. Food security. We work constantly so that we can guarantee food safety and promote good health. We dedicate ourselves to creating nutritious, good-tasting, and affordable foods for our customers and consumers while ensuring full traceability of all of our products. Research and development is at the center of quality and safety throughout our production chain. We have over 70 R&D centers for animal feed, farming and breeding, as well as food, and over 40 integrated learning centers. All of our innovation leads to our food security goals. We attach great importance to raising food safety and quality standards throughout our production processes. In our animal feed business, we source only high-quality raw materials, which allows us to produce safe and traceable food to raise farm animals. Animal farming business. Our biosecure land animal farms utilize evaporative cooling systems, with animal welfare incorporated into farm design elements. All of our aquatic farms are closed, biosecure systems, which do not release any waste into the environment and do not require any antibiotics or chemicals. We employ water reuse systems with zero discharge into the environment. Food business. We have quality assurance and quality controls in place throughout our food chain. All of our production sites operate with minimal impact to the surrounding communities and the environment. In order to deliver over 2,500 safe and nutritious food products to more than 3 billion consumers around the world. Retail and food outlets. We are determined to promote universal access to safe, high-quality, and nutritious food. We have been promoting food access throughout Thailand since 1989 with our CPF Students' Lunch Project, providing high-quality protein to needy students. Today, more than 110,000 students in 460 schools across the country have the knowledge to raise hens for eggs, which they eat for lunch at school and also sell for extra income for the school. Furthermore, we have been implementing the CPF Agricultural Skills Project, which focuses on knowledge transfer and agricultural skills training in areas such as vegetable and fish farming. We work with 67 schools and 14,000 students across the country through our CPF Agricultural Skills Project. Self-Sufficient Society. We invest in developing the capabilities of our business partners and also of the communities where we operate. We are committed to improving quality of life wherever we are. We do all of this in the hopes of building a truly self-sufficient society. CPF is a multinational company headquartered in a developing country, and we are fully aware that we cannot grow sustainably without capable business partners. We conduct conferences and workshops to build understanding in the company's sustainable sourcing guidelines, highlighting focus areas such as social and environmental issues. We believe in building the capabilities of our partners so they can grow sustainably together with CPF. We have created jobs and increased incomes for more than 5,000 Thai farmers under our CPF contract farming project, with a success rate of 98%. The foundations of a strong business depend on the foundations of a strong society. Our employees are our ambassadors wherever we operate. We expect all of our employees in all of our sites to work closely with surrounding communities to promote economic and social development. Our employees utilize our 4C's strategy to sustainability: competency, creation, connection, and collaboration. Collaborating with surrounding communities, we have organized more than 300 projects focusing on enhancing quality of life within communities around our factories and farms. In addition, since 2011, we have established the CPF Fund for the Elderly, which has collectively distributed more than $2.5 million to more than 500 elderly people nationwide every year. Self-sufficient and successful farmers are the foundation of a strong agricultural industry. Since 1977, CPF has transferred innovative knowledge and provided skills training to farmers nationwide under our Agricultural Villages project. In 2014, more than 5,000 farmers under this project earned a total of over $60 million. Balance of nature. Sustainable agro-industrial and food businesses depend on environmental preservation. CPF embraces the concept of green business to minimize negative impact throughout our value chain. CPF is committed to reduce its environmental footprint through integrated management of energy, water, waste, and emissions. We implement environmental projects through our 4R strategy: reduce, reuse, recycle, and replenish. We have adopted environmental management practices which meet internationally accepted standards. Our animal feed factories utilize ozone technology to reduce odors created during the production process. We utilize the green farm concept in our swine farms, turning swine waste into biogas to produce electricity for the farm and for surrounding communities. We reduced our dependence on the public power grid by 31%, equivalent to around 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year. Our livestock farms are enclosed systems utilizing modern air filtration and water treatment technologies. Our enclosed system aquaculture farms utilize probiotic technology with zero use of antibiotics and zero discharge into the environment. We deploy power stations with cogeneration technology in our production sites. This technology can produce more than 270,000 gigajoules of energy per year for our factories, while reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 30,000 tons per year. Our wastewater biogas electricity production reduced the emissions of carbon dioxide, equivalent to more than 25,000 tons per year. Our annual biodiesel production of about 1.85 million liters has reduced our reliance on diesel fuel by 1.15 million liters. This has also resulted in a reduction of carbon dioxide emissions by 125 tons per year. CPF chicken products are the first in the world to be certified to the Pro-Sustain standard by a world-renowned certification body. We have reduced our packaging usage by 1,700 tons while doubling sales from 7 billion to 13 billion US dollars. Environmental conservation and biodiversity are also parts of our efforts. CPF has implemented a mangrove reforestation project, which currently covers 320 hectares nationwide. As part of our long-term effort in promoting mangrove reforestation, we have also partnered with local schools and institutions in creating mangrove ecological system learning centers in many coastal communities. We fully recognize that our employees at all levels are the core driving force enabling us to grow sustainably. We promote diversity and inclusion and ensure that our people management practices are fair and equitable, in line with internationally accepted standards on human rights. Our workforce is managed under several corporate policies in alignment with the ILO Declaration on Fundamental Principles and Rights at Work. We believe in our path to building excellence in food quality and safety while promoting food security and access to all of the communities in which we are part of. We strive to enable communities to become strong and self-sufficient. We never lose sight of the conservation and preservation of nature. All of our efforts under our 3 pillars of sustainability will lead to long-term and mutually beneficial outcomes for our company and all of our stakeholders.